Hi, I'm Kenneth, founder of PitBot. In Hong Kong, high-density commercial landscape, from our Grade A office in central to critical data center and district cooling plants, HVAC chiller consume over 40% of a building energy. Their maintenance pose a costly operation risk. A single chiller barrel hold up to 5,000 heat exchange tubes. Right now, cleansing them is a manually tedious nightmare. Technical manually insert probe one by one, forcing a 4 to 6 week downtime, which is a long facility suspension time. On top of that, we face an acute E&M labor crisis. Only 2 qualified service providers remain in the local market. The results: unscientific monitoring, overlooked tube damage, and immediate 10% spike in energy costs. Our solution is PitBot, our robotic chiller maintenance platform built to refine industrial efficiency. We address this labor crunch by automating the heavy lifting, by mounting our waterproof foundry-grade cooker robotic arm onto an agile platform. We achieve sub-millimeter alignment perception to navigate nonlinear optical inside the water bath. Instead of slow single-tube cleansing, PitBot leverage a proprietary multi-flexible method backed by a higher displacement common ray pump system. Browsing over 200 bar perception water jet, we cleanse 3 to 6 tubes simultaneously, effectively accelerating operation speed by up to 6 times. But the real game is our intelligence. We use virtual large language model to actively reason about geometrically identifying deformed by blocked tube zero calibration. Following a programmatic human in a loop approach, local technicians can remove monitoring through the tablet. The commercial traction is immediate. In the Hong Kong alone, our addressable market across prime commercial complex stands at 150 million Hong Kong dollar. Looking ahead, our strategic growth roadmap expands our addressable market into major Asian cities within the next 3 to 5 years, establishing a direct blueprint that ultimately reach the MENA regional Costco mega project. We have already vetted our core product market fit through deep dive customer interviews with global environmental leaders like Winona, and we are proud to be backed by the AVNET and Science Park Co-Incubation Startup Program. Our team possesses the multi-expertise to execute this vision. I'm a former Hong Kong U advanced robotic researcher with 10-year experience in managing ITC fund technology projects. Flanking me, our technical advisor, Go Wingjing, an industrial robotic expertise and former cooker solution engineer, and our business advisor, Nigel Koo, who brings over 20 years of facility management leadership experience. We are establish our limited company here in Hong Kong shortly, having already secured a technical mentorship partnership with Emails Lab. We are aggressively on track to deploy our 3-tube cleansing MVP within the next 6 to 9 months. Join PitBot as our eliminate maintenance fraction, lower energy bills, and guarantee peak thermal efficiency through a higher marginal robotic as a service model. Thank you.